Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about our machine learning project too. So this project is based on text, okay? Means whatever command we will give to our machine, based on that command it will do the task, okay? So it's all about our, we can say, suppose in your home, if you have your fan, if you have your light, so you can just say one command like a please turn off fan, or I'm feeling too cold, so that's a please turn off the fan. Or you can say any command. Based on that command, now fan will decide whether what fan has to do. Okay. So now, first what I will do, first I will show you this project. See, so here we have to add some command like a fan on. Now if I will enter, what will happen? You will get fan on. See, so this is our today's project. Okay. So now I will explain you how you will create this project. So first thing, what we have to do here. Okay. So we have to do one more important thing. What is that? So now we will search for machine learning of the kids over here. I will directly start the project. So what I will do, I will first log out here. Then what you have to do, wait, let me log out first. So you will get this screen, right? So you can just click on try it now. Over here we have to add a project. I will write the project name, suppose automation. Okay, here we have to add a recognition type. So now we are creating this project which is based on our text, right? So we have to select the text, and once you will scroll down you will get a create button. So we need to just click on a create. Over here you will get your project and your recognition type. So in this project our recognition type is the text, so I will click on the text. After that, we have here three steps: train, learn, and text, make. Okay. So first we have to train our model, right? Over here, what we have to do, we need to click on add new label. Suppose I will write fan on. My first label is fan on. We have to add one more label which is fan off. Okay. Now, so we have to label here. What we have to do now, we have to add some example in the fan on. Suppose fan on. We can add, we have to add at least 6 to 7 examples. So fan on. Then I have to add, please turn on the fan. Yes, you have to write some word which is related to your fan on, or we can say it's too cold. So please turn on the fan, or miss whatever you want, you can add. So this is the wrong. So even you can delete. So we have to write here, it's too hot. Okay, it's too hot. Then we have to add some more examples like please switch on the fan. This all are the keywords. Okay, so I will add one more here. Turn on. Turn on the fan. Okay, now same we have to do in our fan off. So we can write fan off. Please turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Next we can write, it's too cold. or we can write switch off the fan. Switch off the fan means you have to write some keyword which is related to your fan on. We can write turn off the fan like this. So you have to add at least 5 to 6 examples here. So see, what is this? This is like a we did the training. Again, we have to back to our project. Now we will click on learn and test. Okay. What have we done here? So we collected example of text for a computer to use to recognize when text is fan on or fan off. So we collected 6 example in our fan on. We collected 5 example of fan off. So we need to click on train new machine model. After that, it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. See, we trained this. Now, again, we have to back to our project. Now we will click on make. Make in the sense, now we have to create this project. So what we need to do, we have to click on Scratch 3, open in Scratch 3. Okay. So first thing, we want some sprite, we want some backdrop here. Okay. So if you want to add a fan, so what we can do here, either you can just go to your sprite over here. We can select choose a sprite or upload a sprite, or else directly we can go to our project template. Over here, we can just click on smart classroom. So you will get your fan and lamp. Okay, see, we have fan, we have lamp. But if I will run this, nothing will happen. So we have to start the coding over here. Okay. So how we will start the coding? So always we have to start from the event. So what coding we have to add here? When flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, first we want to ask a question, right? Whether what you want. You want to turn off the fan or you want to turn on the fan, right? So where you will get your question here in the sensing. So instead of what's your name, we can write what you want to do. What you want to do. Okay. After that, whatever you will enter. So now we have to check this condition like what user entered here, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to apply some condition that you will get inside your control, right? If now if your recognition text, okay, if your recognition text is fan on, so what we have to do, okay, so for that what we will do now, we need to just go to the operator, we will take this equals, right? Means if this recognition text is equal to fan on, so what we have to do now, we have to take a next costume, right? Because for the fan, we have a different costume. So you can directly take this and you can put it here. Now see, if I will run, it will ask you what you want to do. Suppose if I will enter fan on, you will get your fan on. See, okay? So with the help of what you given training in your machine learning model, we have to apply that here. Same we have to do for fan off. Okay. So in the fan off, what we need to do, when your recognition type text is fan off, we need to duplicate this. If this text is fan off, so what we have to do, no need to take this next costume. So we can remove this. Here we can do on equals to no. So this is our coding for fan on. Okay. See what you want to do. I want to do the fan on. So first it will recognize what we have. Fan on means what? We don't have fan on here. What we did, we trained our model here, right? Okay. So based on that training, you will get all the things here. Okay. So this is all about how we can do the automation and how we can recognize the text. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.